She's a very brilliant student, a gold medalist, going to one of the best B schools in France.
I've gone to almost all the agencies, consulting agencies in Ahmedabad, which were there earlier
Right.
before coming to Rahul, and I mean all of them suggested me courses which they had tied up with their universities, and it was a bit difficult for me to convince them. There was a pretty unique course, marketing analytics, and EDHEC is one of the top 10 Europe, business schools in Europe.
As well, here is a visa. She started a process last year, I guess in November. આપણે નવેમ્બરથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું હતું. અમે લોકોએ નવેમ્બરથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું હતું અને લાસ્ટ મંથ એમના વિઝા આવી ગયા. Hi everyone, this is Rahul Sheth. आज मेरे साथ है पल. She's from Ahmedabad, from my own city. उनका केस इंटरेस्टिंग इसलिए है, शी इज़ अ वेरी ब्रिलियंट स्टूडेंट, अ गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट, गोइंग टू वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बी स्कूल्स इन फ्रांस. इन्होंने 2 बेस्ट बी स्कूल्स में अप्लाई किया था, वो खुद ही बताएंगे कहाँ पे किया था इसके बाद. एंड दोनों जगह से एडमिट लेटर आ गया. शी इवन गॉट अ स्कॉलरशिप इन वन ऑफ द कॉलेजेस शी चोज टू गो विद. सो आज वील आस्क हर व्हाई हैज शी चोजन फ्रांस. उन्होंने उनका प्रोग्राम भी खुद ही चूज़ किया, मैंने गाइड नहीं किया है. आई जस्ट हेल्प विद द एप्लीकेशन एंड द वीज़ा प्रोसेस. एंड उनका हमारे साथ एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है. पल, ओवर टू यू प्लीज़.
Thank you so much, Rahul, first of all, for introducing and for your guidance throughout. So basically, I had my subjects very clear. I had my goals very clear from the very start. So, I mean, to share a small story with you, I've gone to almost all the agencies, consulting agencies in Ahmedabad, which were there earlier before coming to Rahul, and I mean, all of them suggested me courses which they had tied up with their universities, and it was a bit difficult for me to convince them that why I wanted to do this particular course, because none of them were ready to enroll in such universities and such courses which are not tied up with them. I mean, it's their commission and everything.
That's a common practice.
Yes, exactly. So while I was, I mean, I've been introduced with him earlier, and I mean, I've been watching his videos and everything since a long time. So I met him for the first time after that, and he guided me completely that feel free to choose whichever course you wish to, and we'll get it done. I mean, 100% for sure. Yeah. So then he guided me with everything, how we proceed with the application, and how we design the SOP and everything. And I mean, it's been an amazing experience having.
Which 2 schools did you get into, please?
I'm into. I applied to EDHEC and. The other one was
Gen, you can say, yeah.
And EDHEC. I had my subjects very clear, and not a lot of universities provided that course.
Which program you wanted to go into? That was very unique. I also don't have tie-up with any colleges which has that program.
That's true. I wanted to go into marketing analytics basically, because majority of the courses were either into data analytics or were either into business analytics. And me being from a marketing background, I wanted something which was a blend of marketing, business and analytics. So there was a pretty unique course, marketing analytics, and EDHEC is one of the top 10 Europe, business schools in Europe. So I mean, I'm grateful.
EDHEC does not tie up with any consultants.
Yes, exactly.
Till the time I know, I don't have my contract with EDHEC. We applied directly as a student.
Sure, that's true.
And she's also working over here, and she's working the same in the field that she's going to study. So we could prove easily that why she wants to study this program.
That's true.
As she correctly said, this is a common practice, and which we don't practice. We let students choose wherever they want to go. Like if the college is not giving us commission, we tell students on their face, we don't get money from the college, we are charging money from you. But we are not stopping you from going where you want to. And this is what happened with her, and you can see the result. Here is a visa. She started a process last year, I guess in November. આપણે નવેમ્બરથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું હતું. અમે લોકોએ નવેમ્બરથી સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યું હતું અને લાસ્ટ મંથ એમના વિઝા આવી ગયા.
That's true.
And Mansi, how was Mansi?
Mansi was really, really supportive. I mean, throughout the process, every little detail, she knew it in and out, what details to be taken care of, what things not to be done, how to approach. I mean, even with the mails, smallest and smallest things, she was really, really helpful and supportive. And she was also very responsive and quick in responding to all of my queries. I have a lot of questions you can ask her. I tend to ask a lot of questions, and she was, amazing at
usually हमारी इंडस्ट्री में उधर people pay money and then what they want is response, but they don't get it.
True.
And we believe कि within हमें तो मैं हमारा team members ने किधर same day की दूसरे office working hours में, but अगर इतनी भी वेला करे तो.
And one major challenge for us was that I am working in different time zone, like in UK shift timing. So I had my office hours between 12 to 9, and she had a different office hours. So it was a bit challenging, but she managed it really well.
Thank you, Paul, for coming in. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Have a great career in France.